go.
Where's he at?
Whoa, okay, yeah. I was like, wait a second.
What happened?
Now you got 5 again.
I was about to jump, but I didn't know where the hell you were.
I'm already going.
Out of the way.
Ow!
Jeremy's an asshole all the way down.
Chocolate!
That's all I heard. Chocolate hole. All I heard on the way down was asshole.
He straightened up perfectly straight, didn't he? He sucked his ass. They went.
You stuck in my ass. You're falling.
Alright.
I was waiting for Bubba to get it.
Mommy, can I throw it inside? Bounce it?
Yeah, go ahead.
You don't have a rock. You have to wait. Come on, Papa.
I gotta wait till your husband get out of the way and land on one.
He's good. Go ahead.
Bye.
Hey!
Hey, she weighs my time that time.
Wait, where did she go?
Get your papa?
Right there in the water.
Good. Okay. That time I didn't get that
Did
much
you
water.
find the bottom bottle again?
Sis, cannonballs. He's going, I'm going. Let's go.
I'm going. I'm recording.
No, you know, not the cannonball, but the one where you like
The
land
jackknife?
and spread open.
No.
Oh yeah,
That
that'd be good.
You're
Belly
stupid.
button.
If you don't do it perfectly, you're stupid. You're gonna die.
You gotta do it perfectly.
You're stupid, dude. Cannonball. You're stupid. You're recording. I'm
pushing
you
this
the
fuck
once.
off.
You got hard like hell.
I've been recording the whole time.
Buddy, pull it up tight.
Oh, you got 2 out of them.
Smack right on my
Here we
head.
go, sis.
Show him how
Sis, you got around going.
Who jumped in?
Robert.
Yeah.
Robert. Michael, go.
Yeah, I'll try to get over there too.
Alright, sit right there.
Robert, you okay?
Cannonball!
You okay?
Baby, cannonball.
She was like, ah!
Do a cannonball, Chris.
Cannonball.
3 in a row, do it! Be a man!
If he breaks his Creamville donut, I'm coming after
Be a
you.
man, Chris. Do it!
Do it! What candy?
His Creamville donut.
I told you to say that. If we did it, you gotta do it. Cannonball! Here goes the cannonball, be ready.
Cannonball.
Yeah, cannonball.
Cannonball. Cannonball. Cannonball. Cannonball. Cannonball. Cannonball.
Go, you little bitch! Go, you little bitch! Hey, go, you little chocolate! Go, little chocolate! Do it! You gotta yell cannonball when you do it. Danielle did it, why can't you?
She didn't do a cannonball.
Yeah, she did a cannonball. So did Paige.
You're halfway there. Do a cannonball, come on! Yell it!
It's really not that
Cannonball!
bad.
Cannonball! 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 Cannon!
He's already tried that, he said.
Come on, just do it. You gotta yell it too.
Cowabunga, baby.
Pucker up and go.
I'm going to do it again by the time you do it.
Hey, that's all right. We got to roll.
Now if you pucker up tight enough, you know.
Just do it.
Baby,
Tight. No water gets in. I promise.
Just lock them tight and go.
this is not going to be appropriate for online sharing.
Absolutely
Come
not.
on.
Is that a video?
Yeah.
Now you gotta do it.
Yeah.
Now you got to do it.
No pressure. We got a video. You standing there for 20 minutes.
Come
No,
on.
the battery's going to be dead.
Cannonball!
Woo!
Not time.